Welcome. This video will be on DHCP v6. So first we just set up our topology, which I've already done. It's a router, 2 switches, and 2 PCs. This is interface Gigabyte Ethernet 00, and this is Gigabyte Ethernet 01. So now I would just simply go into our router. I will enter global configuration mode. And now I will just go into our interface Gigabyte Ethernet 00. Now I will use the set the IP address, and it has to be an IPv6 address. So in order to do this, it's a little bit different. I just set my address like this: 2001 ACAD 1 /64. So now I will set another IP address, v6 address, which is FE80, FE81, and then it'll be a link local address. So now I'll just issue the no shutdown command, and this will change the red to be green so that it is administratively up. So now you can see that it is green. And I will just issue the exit command, and now we have to do the same exact thing, but for the Gigabyte Ethernet 01. So I just do interface Gigabyte Ethernet 01. So I will be setting similar IP address, so I will just scroll up to where I set my IP address, and instead of a 1 being here, it'll be a 2 and a 2 here. So that is done, and now I can scroll back up, and it'll be the same exact default IP address, and again, no shutdown. And that is now turned green. And now we can just simply exit the interface. So now that it is done, we're going to set the IPv6 DHCP pool, which is very similar to v4, but we're going to set a domain name as well. So to do this, we just do IPv6 DHCP pool, which is the exact same as v4, but with the v6 at the IPv6. And we're just going to call this LAN 1. Now that is set, we're going to set our domain name, and we'll call this Mollie.edu. And we're going to create our DNS server's IP address, and that'll be 2001 ACAD. And this will be 2, 2. Now we can exit out of this, and now we can do our Gigabyte Ethernet 02. So we will just do the same exact thing, but we'll do LAN 2, and we will create it to be cisco.com, and we will have the same IP address, and we will just exit. So now that it's all set up, now we're going to go back into our Gigabyte Ethernet 000. So we'll just enter interface Gigabyte 00. We will reestablish the DHCP, but this time we're going to do it with a little bit different command. So we'll do IPv6 so that it's a v6. We will do DHCP, which is the same, but now we will do server LAN 1. So now we will go into the IPv6 again. We'll do ND, and we'll do other config flag. And this just allows us to use another configuration. So now we just exit out of that, and we do the same exact thing, but for Gigabit Ethernet 01. And LAN 2. And other config flag. And we will just exit right back out of that. And then we will issue the command IPv6 unicast routing, which allows us to use the DHCP. So now we will just go into our PC, desktop, and we will do DHCP to autoconfig. So now it has successfully inserted our IPv6 address with what we have set, the DNS server, and link local address. So now we will go into our PC, our second PC, and go into the same thing, autoconfig, and our autoconfig address is successful. So that is successfully created our IPv6 DHCP.